A powerful tornado hit the United States. The storm is raging in Nebraska, Iowa, and Texas. Nebraska was hit hardest by the disaster. Destruction was also recorded in Texas and Iowa. 3 people were hurt in Nebraska's Lancaster County when a tornado hit an industrial building, causing it to collapse with 70 people inside. Several were trapped, but everyone was evacuated and the injuries were not life-threatening, authorities said. The National Weather Service issued tornado watches across parts of Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Texas. Forecasters warned that large hail and strong wind gusts were possible. It does look like a big outbreak again tomorrow, said Becky Kern, the warning coordination meteorologist in the National Weather Service's Omaha office. According to local media, hundreds of houses were destroyed and several people were injured. Multiple tornadoes have been reported across the state, but the most destructive storm moved from a largely rural area into suburbs northwest of Omaha, a city of 485,000 people. One tornado plowed through suburban Omaha, damaging hundreds of homes and other structures as the twister tore for miles along farmland and into subdivisions. Some injuries were reported, but there were no immediate reports that anyone was killed. Police and firefighters went door to door to help people, going to the hardest-hit area with a plan to search anywhere someone could be trapped, Omaha Fire Chief Kathy Bossman said. In Lancaster County, where 3 people were injured when an industrial building collapsed, sheriff's officials also said they had reports of a tipped-over train near Waverly, Nebraska.
Wow. Semi's overturned up here. Hey, let's get up to the sky real quick. Yeah, let's go see. I got the med kit in the car if you need it. Violent tornado, man! Violent! Oh, somebody got hit! Alright. Oh my God! He's okay, right. He's okay. It's good. He's all right. Oh my God, they're okay. This house just got hit. Massive wedge tornado. Oh my God. Their animals are not hurt. Were killed. We're okay. We're okay. You guys are up. There's no one else? No. Are there any more houses this way?
No, that was all of our buildings down here.
Okay.
The propane tank is going to blow. Is there somebody in here? My son's in there. We lost all our cans. You all right? Yes. Okay. Yeah.
They're okay here. Massive wedge tornado just came through.